Hey everybody, it's Chris Holdred, and I came across a deal that has me so excited I had to jump online and tell you guys about it tonight. So stay tuned and I'll show you the video and I'll show you the item, and the link is in the description below. So jump on that link, take advantage of the sale while you can, and it's going to save you a bunch of money. Alright guys, here's the little gem that has me so excited. I absolutely love my Activian CX action camera, and almost something in every scene, every video that I shoot is using this camera. Love it. I paid almost $60 for mine. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw it on Amazon for $29.50. So jump on down. I highly recommend it. Down in the description, I've got my link for my affiliate for Amazon. Please click on that. Take advantage of this time to grab this camera. You guys will not regret it. I absolutely love it, and I was going to do a review later on it, but you know what? I saw this deal and I had to get this out there as soon as I could for you guys so that you didn't miss it. So jump on this camera, guys. It's absolutely worth it.